Everybody, it's Paulie here with Slaughter Food Creations, and you're wondering, what are we doing today? Well, I am doing a Mexican style shrimp and vegetable stir fry. Here's our star, the shrimp, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So let's get this seasoned up. Gonna start with a little salt, kosher salt. And some black pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this going in a pan here. I've got it heated up. So I'm just going to start by cooking these up, and then we'll get back to you here. I've got them going on a little bit on either side, and I'll give them a flip as they start to turn pink. And I've seasoned the other side as well. So we're going to keep doing this until we finish them up, and I'll remove them from the heat before we start our vegetable mix. Okay, you can see our shrimp's been going here. I've already got some pulled, and I'm going to pull the other ones here. We're going to set these off to the side. See how they look there. Cooked just enough, and we're gonna add these back to our heat here in a minute. So we'll set those there. Okay, I went ahead and added a little oil, more oil to my pan here. What I've got here is sliced red onion, poblano, thinly sliced serrano, and carrot. So I'm going to do the carrot and the onion first. Like so. We'll get these going. Okay, I've had our carrots and red onion going for about a minute or so. I'm going to go ahead and add our peppers, poblano and serrano. Let those start cooking down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit our vegetable with a little salt, some black pepper, some oregano, some cumin, and some garlic granule. Like so. A little extra. Go ahead and give that a stir. Got that stirred nicely. I'm going to hit it with some lime juice. Like so. A little bit of chicken stock. We'll let that go for a little bit. Now that we've got that, had that going for a minute or so, I'm gonna go ahead and excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp back in here. Sorry. Just to amalgamate with the vegetables. Get amalgamation going on. Take it off the heat because we don't need much more heat. The shrimp's already been cooked. Just to warm it up. Throw a pepper on the side of the stove also while we're at it. But you can see there it is. That's our shrimp, Mexican style shrimp and vegetable stir fry, and I'm going to go ahead and get this plated up. Okay, I've already got a nice plate here with a little bit of cilantro on the corner here. And to that, I have over here some of my yellow rice, which I made earlier. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of that to our plate here. It's all nice and fluffy. So, like so. Doesn't that look pretty? There's going to be a lot of color here. We got that. Get the rice off of there. So we'll go ahead and add some of our shrimp and vegetables to the top here. Still kind of warm, but it's okay. So I've got some shrimp and some vegetable there. Let's put another one here. Why not? Like that. I've got some minced tomato, just to add some additional color and texture and flavor. And let's add some avocado slices that have been sitting over here in some lime juice. So that a couple like that is good. But there you go. That's our shrimp and vegetable stir fry, Mexican shrimp and vegetable stir fry, some avocado, some cilantro for plating here. And there you have it. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.